So this is a video talking about the Cylon god known as Keurig. We're going to power it on. And it's going to heat up the water real quick. See? You can hear it. And once this is heated up, it takes like approximately 60 seconds to make the perfect cup of coffee. It heats up in about, well, anywhere from 1 minute to 2 minutes. Actually, I lied. That was like 40 seconds. It's not bad. All right, so coffee cup goes there. Used pod that my husband didn't take out. Dumb. Goes in the garbage. So this is one of the coffee pods that we're using right now. You can use real coffee or a coffee pod in this one. That one's coffee pod. Then you hit, see, gives you selection. You hit coffee. I'm going to choose 12 ounce. Then you do here. And that gets it started. And boom. Your perfect cup of coffee is now pouring itself. See that? Beautiful, beautiful machine. You know, if all Cylons are like Keurig, it really can't be that bad. See, look at this. And watch, this can also make cappuccinos and lattes. It can make it heated or cold. I'm doing a heated coffee right now. Just going old fashioned. Watch, it foams it up a little. Wow. And I present to you the perfect cup of coffee. Right there. Flavor as needed, and enjoy. Let's see. Right now. All right, signing off.